All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another quick little review here. Got another SENCUT today. Today we're going to be looking at the, looks like the BOCCL 2. It's in the OD green G10 handle. Like I said, SENCUT's a spin-off of WE or Civivi. So let's check this knife out here. Like I said, their packaging between Civivi and WE, pretty much all the same. Comes in this nice package. It's got stickers. It's got a nice sticker of the knife. Always send these nice cloths with you. Nice packaging. Get you some close-ups here real quick. This is on the smaller side of the knife, as you can see. Like this OD green G10 handle. Pog clip is not reversible right off the bat. So this one has a flipper. Pretty much the only way to get it open, really. There's not even a thumbnail grab here. It's just smooth. That is definitely smooth. Very lightweight. Smooth action here. I mean, it's effortless. I mean, just a small little prick. Really like that. Really nice action. Like I said, really lightweight knife. No jibbing whatsoever. Everything's smooth back here. Got a little bit of jibbing here on the lock. Of course, jibbing back there on the opening. But yeah, the lightness of this knife is great. The action is great. Stonewash blade here is nice and sharp. It is a D2 blade. But yeah, overall, nice shape here. Let's get some quick measurements. Looks like the blade length on this is going to be usable blade length, 2 3/4. Overall blade length, overall knife length, I guess you could say, 6 3/4. Closed length on this one, 3 3/4. And these are approximates. But yeah, super lightweight knife here. Let's get some quick measurements here. Like I said, I'd put this in the smaller knife range. Well, let's just reset that real quick. Just a cheap scale from Amazon, so bear with me. Well, maybe not. Never mind on that. I can tell you though, it's super lightweight. Like I said, not much of a knife here. The selling point is the action on this, the lightweight. Like I said, probably for a smaller hand, you know, if you got a bigger hand, you know, you kind of got to step over the blade some. But yeah, still super nice knife. Locks up nice, everything's tight. But yeah, the OD green. Nice grip, smooth. I would say that the two selling features on this knife is the lightweight and the action. The action of this is just awesome. Super effortless, just and quick. I mean, it can be as quick as you want it to be. But yeah, that is the SENCUT. Right here is the BOCLL 2. Anyway, got any questions or comments? Leave them below. Appreciate it.